that you even have a knife.
No.
You're jipoxing.
It's not just having a knife.
You're a jipoxer.
Wait.
What are you doing?
You see what I've done there?
What have you done?
Yeah, you see.
And in this your kitchen, can I please have a drink?
Oh yeah. Sure.
To welcome Madam to your kitchen.
I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm sorry.
welcome to Restaurant of the Week.
Thank you very much. Okay, how should I put this?
You tell me.
Mama, I made it. Shanikwa. Niko hapa
By the way, all our hosts, you see, Brian activated his faith.
Thank you.
This year, you knew.
And you know, Catherine, one thing about activating my faith, when I was talking about it on Twitter, guys were like, yeah, Brian, sure, yeah. You see?
Yeah, it has come to pass.
All you have to have is faith.
Faith.
Jesus said, oh ye of little faith.
Hey, preacher.
Oh ye of little faith. See me here, Thank you very much.
So Shaniqua and Co. If you wanna, join me on Restaurant of the Week, you know what you need to do. Ask Brian.
Have faith.
well, yeah, that too. But no, Brian, this is what you're going to do.
Yes.
We are at Stedmark Gardens. Beautiful place. They have a lot going on.
Sure.
Wacha kujifanya leo kuku. So what we're going to do is, because today you asked and you've activated your faith,
sure,
I want to stretch it. Yes, I want you to be the one to run this segment. All I will do is wait for when the food is ready. This looks like a barbecue station. When the food is ready, you will find me somewhere on a floating thing. I'll be ready to eat. Then you can tell me everything you've learned today. Deal?
Sasa.
Kufanyela kugotana.
Hapo sawa.
Yeah.
Hapo sawa.
You have a good time.
Thank you. You enjoy the scenery? Sure. Vipi?
Mzuri sana.
Lakini tell me, kwa sababu najua chef si jina lako kamili ya kuzaliwa au kupewa hiyo jina. Unaitwa nani? Majina yako kamili?
Majina yangu naitwa Francis.
Sorry.
Francis Marea.
Yeah. Francis Marea.
Yep.
We are here at Stedmark Gardens. What are those recipes that you prepare for your guests? Because we know guys come here, but what is that, when guys come here, what do they ask for that you guys are known for all around the world?
Barbecue chicken, barbecue choma, yes. Yeah.
So I can't deny the fact that there is barbecue, and barbecue is your delicacy, but because of the kind of scenery here. But in terms of barbecue, when you talk of barbecue, unajua ni choma, tunachoma nini? Kuku, mbuzi, nini? Kila kitu tunachoma.
Hizo kuna zile za kuchoma, we have the wet fry, we have the dry fry, we have the choma zone. Yep.
But what is that one meal that sets you apart? You know, we have places where people choma nyama.
Yes.
But what sets you apart?
Okay, our part, we use barbecue. There's the barbecue sauce. That we use, we fry the red onions. We add the ginger, we add the garlic. At least a small oil. We fry. We add tomato paste. We add tomato sauce. And then pineapple to sweeten the sauce.
So that's your recipe, your special recipe.
Special recipe for barbecue.
So that's what you're going to have here today?
Yeah, that's what we're going to have here today.
Okay, hashtag KTN Life and Style, keep the conversation going. This is Restaurant of the Week. Today, I've got the privilege. Mama, I've made it. I'm here on Restaurant of the Week. Under here, there's an animal park. There's a place where we have animals, all sorts of animals. And we also have a place, a recreational place for kids. If you come here with kids, because you can see it's a garden sector. If you're coming here with kids, you can eat while your kids are playing. And that's all you're going to find out right now. So, chef, nikuache wewe endelee kuandaa. Nimtafute, nasikia kuna mtu nafanya tafute huku.
Tafuta mtu kwanza. And sikubali mtu kwa jikoni yangu without a chef jacket and a crown. So come when you are prepared.
Sasa. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Wacha nikimbie. Asante. Wow. There you go.
Eat.
Hi, Maggie.
Hi, you're here.
Ngoja. It's called African grey parrot.
Yes.
And I can see it eats sugarcane.
Yes, it's enjoying its 4 o'clock meal.
Yeah. So In general,
Yeah.
because this is an animal sanctuary.
Yes.
How many animals in total, despite the birds? Because walking in, I've just been seeing the birds. Despite the birds, how many other animals do you have here?
Ah, beautiful. This is our bird sanctuary section, and it has different species of birds as you have just experienced. Then on the other side, we have ornamental fish, we have baboons, we have llamas, all the way from South America. And also, we are coming up with would you like to feed?
Please, please, please.
Ah, nice, nice.
But I have to.
Come in, yes.
Hi.
Say hello, say jumbo.
Jumbo.
Say jumbo.
Jumbo. Kulamiwa.
Then we also have an upcoming snake park.
You're talking about a real snake park.
Yes, a real snake park, and it will be the largest snake park in Kenya.
Yeah, there you go.
Say thank you.
You're welcome. So can we see the other animals?
Yes, yes. Bye.
Bye. Behind me, we've seen ostriches and the llamas.
Yes.
These llamas, where do you get them from? Because I know these are not Kenyan and they're not African. Where do you get them from?
The llamas, they imported from South America. Stedmark Gardens offers a good habitat for them because they love cold areas, and because we have a water body next to the sanctuary.
Yeah, and being around the Karen area, being cold.
Yes.
Yes.
So they do very well here. Yes. Then we have the gazelles, and why we're doing this is because we normally do school trips. They have to be educative, informative, and fun-filled. Yes.
I want to play with him.
You want to play with him?
Am I allowed?
Yes, you can. You can.
Or
You
is he
can.
going
You
to
can.
back?
No, he won't.
It's running away.
Time for dinner. Inakuchezea?
Yeah, it's actually playing.
You're not scared?
Yeah, it's going to back me.
Guess how old it is?
How old is it?
How old is it, Roger?
Because I know it's a she. This is a female.
It's 12 months old.
12 months and it looks this big.
Yes.
Wow, wow. So yeah, guys, we didn't come here for animals because this is restaurant of the week. But apparently, thank you very much. We need to go and see what chef is preparing because I left him preparing something good for us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Let's go. So chef,
Yes.
habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Tumefikia wapi sasa?
Sasa hapa tunatengeneza Stedmark barbecue sauce.
Stedmark barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce hapa. Yeah.
So what does this dish entail? Tumeweka nini ndani ya hii sauce?
Sauce ndio tunaunda hapa live.
Oh, sauce.
So I want to make it live.
Aha. Okay.
So we take the
onions.
Yes. Then we put some oil.
Whoa. So do you have to do that?
Yeah,
When you're
you have to flambe. Yeah. That's why you are using the pan. You are not using the spoon. You have to toast using the pan. Yes.
Na uogopi ni kama unaweza ungua ama.
Siwezi ungua, nimezoea hii kazi. So this is the ginger.
Ginger.
Take the ginger.
So you put onions, then ginger.
And then we have the garlic. Put the garlic.
So now you use a kijiko.
Yeah, use the kijiko to koroga. Yes. At least to mix up. Then you take the pineapples. You have the pineapple. These are the pineapple.
Wow.
Yes.
So, approximately how long will this dish take you to make this dish?
It only it only takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yeah. Then we take this is the tomato paste. Yes. Tomato paste.
Nice.
Water here. This is we add the ketchup.
Ketchup, yes. So do you have to use ketchup?
Yes.
Or
To sweeten.
it's a must?
It's a must for the barbecue sauce. Yes.
The pineapple, when you're using the pineapple,
Yes.
should the pineapple be sweet or
The pineapple is
already
a-
ripened?
The pineapple is supposed to be sweet. Yeah.
So you can't choose unripe pineapple?
Yeah, you can't use. You're supposed to use the ripe one. Then we add the soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
A little bit.
Sasa chef, I'll let you do it.
Okay.
You finish up. Let me meet up with Catherine. You know, this is a show.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Yes.
So Brian has been, taking a tour and finding out what this Stedmark Gardens is all about. And I can't wait to see what he's been up to. And here he is.
Wow.
How was it?
Wow.
Have a seat.
Hey, awesome.
What have you seen out there?
This is live.
Uh-huh.
This is it.
This is it.
Right now I'm on a floating restaurant. I've been seeing animals.
Right.
Did you know
Eh.
they have a crocodile?
Oh, they do.
No, not they have crocodile.
Many of them.
They have several, like 4.
Eh.
They have a snake park.
Okay.
Would you go there?
No.
No.
No thanks.
Don't it?
Where?
They have pigeons. They were actually
Pigeons.
a variety of birds.
Oh.
I've seen pigeons.
They have peacocks. I love peacocks.
Yeah, they have
oh, they
peacocks.
have peacocks.
peacocks.
Oh.
They have a variety. They have a range.
Okay.
And, wow. Thank you for all the
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Your faith has been activated.
Nice.
Now let me
I
see the
tell you.
food.
I
Any
tell you.
restaurant goes by its food. So they have hey chef. Wow, this is a beautiful presentation.
This is called the luombo.
Luombo from Uganda.
Luombo from Uganda.
Yes. And what is that?
So, how do we call this?
Yeah, that's Luombo, yes.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's the same.
So, this is yours. Hey. Today I'm here to make sure that you finish this food. How about this, Aniko?
That is why you came.
Yeah,
To make
just
sure,
make sure
and the
that
chef
you
is still bringing more. Look,
The chicken.
the chicken,
Dry fry.
dry fry.
Whoa.
This is what I'll start with because I saw Brian making it.
Yeah.
This is peanut sauce. Let me teach you. You know, I worked and lived in Uganda.
Yeah, please.
So, like, this is peanut sauce.
And here I have the barbecue sauce.
Aha.
Famous barbecue.
The
famous
famous-
barbecue sauce.
Famous Stedmark barbecue sauce.
Yes. So you guys enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very
chef.
much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we just dig in with our hands.
Yeah. You don't even ask that question. You dig in. Did you clean your hands before you came here?
I did.
Me, I'll start with this one. So I was telling you this is peanut sauce. You ground peanuts and do something with that. In there's something. In that the banana leaf stuff. Very good.
Let me try them out. Okay.
This is very good. This is what you are cooking. Kudos.
You see? Lakini, I'm so happy. I'm so
Chukua
happy.
plate.
Let me try.
I love this chicken.
You know, when I was cutting this
It's
chicken,
spiced right.
yeah? My producer, our producer, now our producer Hilda Well was like, no, you don't know how to cut chicken.
Even Oti, the cameraman, was
Yeah.
like, you're murdering that chicken. He's the one on my camera. Oti, cheers.
Nice.
It's nice, isn't it? Have you tasted the greens for the luombo?
Cut. Tuko na hiyo yote.
Tukonea yote. So I think maybe what we'll do, we'll end up the show. Ndio tukule, wewe ukule bila aibu.
Ngoja kwanza.
That's all.
You have to try everything before the cameras.
Shaniqua, if you're watching, Just ask Brian.
Kula kwa macho.
If you want me to invite you as my guest host on Restaurant of the Week, ask Brian what he has done.
Faith.
Yes, faith. He has activated faith. Yeah. Plus he's also bought me some chocolate.
Yeah, you want to go siri lakini sasa.
Plus he's got chocolate.
Clearly.
And not local chocolate.
Clearly.
No.
I'm not going to keep any more secrets.
He has class. He's bought international chocolate, my friend. So,
Catherine.
Shaniqua, after chocolate is Switzerland.
Hey,
Okay. Now I want to see how you wind up the show.
Me? My faith has brought me here. I don't know about yours, because mine is growing bigger, so you might be seeing here me quite often. I think sasa kula kwa macho.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.